Hi there, it's Davdas, Favro Senior Product Expert, and today we will be talking about the Early Access Dashboards feature. In this video, we will cover all the options that are available for the Dashboards feature. First, how to make a dashboard. You can simply choose to create a new board and select the Dashboards view, or in any of the boards that you have, simply add a new view, Dashboard. Now, when you have the dashboard view created, first what you would need to decide is the information that you want to put into the dashboard. And that's available here on the left side where you can select the sources, either multiple boards or collections from where the data will come into the dashboards. When we have set that up, let's go and add different types of widgets on the right side. Here we're greeted with the Widget Gallery, where you can see multiple types of widgets representing different options and categories. First, custom. Common general purpose charts that can visualize a wide range of data in a simple and understandable way. Sheet view, pie chart, bar chart, table, and more coming soon. Sprints. Charts that are typically used in Agile and Scrum to track the progress and health of sprints. Currently, we have the burn down chart available. And then, last but not least, flow-based charts. They are commonly used to monitor and analyze performance over time, like sprint performance or lead time. And here we have control chart and cumulative flow chart. Now, just to be aware, some of these widgets are only available in the enterprise plan. So be aware with the messaging when you're selecting any of these widget types. Let's jump into the first one, sheet view, and showcase how you can set that up. Now in the sheet view, when you selected your sources, you'll have a list of different cards coming into one sheet view widget. You can select different information to showcase, like card ID, date created, relations, additional settings, or tags. And also include archived cards if you want to. You can also include filtering, but we'll talk about it a bit later. Next, pie chart, where you can select to group by a specific field on your cards, either being it status, created by, tags, members, or any custom fields that you have on your cards. And then select a value, which is going to be a numbers field. That also could be a custom field. We can have a bar chart, which also you can select the same options, and same for table. Going to sprint widgets, we have burn down widget. Now here, you can select boards from which you want to gather and showcase the burn down. It can be either one or multiple source boards. You can also select the date range on which you want to track, and then showcase by what you want to burn down, by card count or any other custom field that you have on your boards. Last but not least, you can select the time zone and also show ideal line. Then moving forwards to flow-based widgets, we have the control chart, where you can track your cards when they have left a specific stage. Now you can also select the one board that you want to track, date range, let's say current week, and status column, which they have left. By that, we can see the information on the chart. We can also include what to see in the legend and also a few additional settings. Last but not least, cumulative flow chart. Now here, similarly, we can choose the board from which we want to gather the data, the date range, and also what kind of information we want to show or hide in the legend and on the widget. Now here we have some few examples of the different widgets, and we can talk about more on the functionality of dashboards. Now in here, we can select the filters that I've talked about before. We can filter out each widget separately by choosing one or multiple types of filters, like status, tags, or even some custom fields that you have on your boards. So let's say members. And we can see the updated information on the widget. Secondly, the widgets are live and they react to the information that has been updated in the source boards or collections. Now, with that, we can also drill down to the specifics of the data that consists in the widgets. For example, very high has 2 cards that have been assigned to, and we can actually press on it and review those cards and take a look, make some changes, and then go back to the widget. Additionally, what you can do for each widget is go to the widget menu, and we can choose some of the options for exporting and sharing through different tools, like copy to clipboard, and paste it on a different tool like Google Sheets. We can also export to CSV, Microsoft Excel, or PNG. And we can also copy a widget and then make a copy of it in a different view. For example, let's copy this widget and change it into a table. So now we have the same information in 2 different views, and then I can simply copy it to clipboard and share it in Google Sheets, like this. Last thing what I wanted to show you about the dashboard widgets, they're fully customizable and rearrangeable the way that you want to. You can simply drag and drop them around or make them bigger or smaller, depending on how you want them to be. And that's about it for the early access dashboards feature. Hope this was helpful and enjoy using Favro.